Here is how to install shaders in Minecraft in 2026 and as well how to allocate more RAM to Minecraft, because by default it will use only sadly 2 GB of RAM, and if you keep it like that it will not run smooth. So the first step is to close Minecraft, make sure it's not running. You can open the task manager from here to make sure that you'll not see that Minecraft launcher. You have to close it from here. Alright, make sure it's totally closed. Now once you are sure Minecraft is closed, you'll find all the links in the description of the video, and I recommend you to install them in this exact order. We'll start with Fabric. If you get on this page and you can't see that, just press on download and this will update automatically. Now press download for Windows and here is the Fabric installer. All I have to do now is just double click on it and install it really quick. Make sure at the top here you locate the latest Minecraft version, and now you will have to press on install. Okay. And now it's done, I can close it. Let's open just the Minecraft launcher, don't open the Minecraft itself because we have a shortcut for the update folder from here. Okay, and now we can locate the Fabric right here at the bottom. Let's press on installations and now we can locate Fabric right here. Press on this folder icon so we can open the update folder, and inside here locate a folder named mods. If you don't have this folder, just create one and name it mods, and that's all. Now let's get back to Google Chrome. We have to download Fabric API. Let's press on download, select game version, make sure you will download all these mods for the version you installed the Fabric with. So in my case 1.21.11 and Fabric is automatically marked. Let's press on download now. Alright, let's move to the iris shader now. This is the mod that will allow us to have shader. Make sure you will select again the latest version and Fabric. It's very important to select both of them. Okay. If you will download the mod with a different version than the others, this will not work, okay? Now we'll have also to download Sodium. This will help with the performance. Let's select again the same version and the Fabric, press on download. And now we'll have all these mods right here. And basically now you remember that we opened that mods folder from Point Minecraft from Updata. Now we'll have to grab all these mods with the exception of the Fabric installer. We don't need that anymore. Let's drag them right here. Alright, let's go back a folder and you'll find another folder right here is named shader packs. If you don't have one, you can create one and name it shader packs. And back on Google Chrome, and we have to search for Minecraft shaders in Google, and we can open this one from Modrin, and you will just have to download a shader which you'd like. I will show you how you can download one. Just select the one you'd like, press on download, select game version again, select the latest, and you will have to select iris because we used iris. Press on download and this is the folder which you downloaded, and you will have to drag and drop this to the shader packs folder from Point Minecraft. Okay, so that being said, now the last step is how to allocate more RAM to Minecraft, because we all know Minecraft will use only 2 GB of RAM by default, and we can allocate more RAM to Minecraft very easily. We just have to press on these 3 dots. We'll allocate more RAM to Fabric. So press on these 3 dots, now press on edit, now press on more options, and down below you'll find here XMS2G, which means you'll allocate only 2 GB, and if you edit this number, you can put 6, you'll allocate 6 GB or up to 10. If you have a lot of mods, this will help. If you don't know how many RAM to allocate to Minecraft, you can open Task Manager, and if we hit performance right here, you can select memory, and in this way you'll see how many gigabytes of RAM you have. So I have 64, I can easily allocate like 10 gigs, and this will help a lot with the performance inside the game. Now let's press on save. Let's hit play with this Fabric loader that we just installed in this video, and I will get back to you once I'm inside the Minecraft menu. Okay, Minecraft just opened up for me. I can open single player, any word, doesn't matter. I just want to show you how to put shader inside the game. Alright, so I will just have to press ESC, and now press on options, video settings, and at the left you will locate shader packs. Let's click on it, and in this menu you locate all the shader packs which you downloaded. If you don't see any, it means you are on disabled, and all you have to do is select the shader which you downloaded, press on apply, and that's how to enable or how to change a shader. And now as well, if we press F3 on our keyboard, we can locate in the bottom left memory. We can see there 10,240 megabytes, which translates basically to 10 gigabytes of RAM. So that being said, this is how to install shaders in Minecraft, and as well how to allocate more RAM to Minecraft so we can run more smooth. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to leave a comment down below so we can help more people with the algorithm, and thank you a lot for watching.